Hello everyone. Yes sir, it's me. I'm out here. I'm at cash and carry, or what you could call it, wholesale. I'm just gonna go inside and have a look and see what is available, what I can sell for local produce stuff. So I'm just gonna go inside and check it out and see what I can get. Let's see what is inside, what I can use. Pickles, got local produce. I'm gonna do all that. You can sell all them things. You got the ginger. And that's a plantain, yeah. Got some apples there. There is. Alright. What's that? Cinnamon, turmeric, stuff here. We've got some coconut. Obviously, it's not the Jamaican stuff, but I will see what I can get. There's a lot of stuff here. It's a good place to come. There is a lot. I can sell peppers. There's a lot. Beans, parsley, celery, cabbage. A lot of stuff, man. This is a good place. Got fresh stuff. It's a good place. You can sell fresh items. The greens. There's a lot of things here. Got cabbage. Bell peppers, tomatoes, peppers again. I have my favorite. They normally have a lot of oyster mushroom, which is I love getting from here. I haven't seen any. I know there's a lot of mushrooms and stuff. Oranges. Here we go. I'll be doing a special on these, the oyster mushrooms. I'll be doing some proper deep fried stuff. You'll see when it comes out, man. Nice. These are my favorite. You get oyster mushroom from here. Nice. Pineapple, everything. It's nice. Pomelo. Nice local stuff you can get. Fruits and veg and stuff that I can start with. All the stuff you need. Avocados, everything. So see, these things I can start with straight away. These things I don't have to import them because you can get the fresh stuff from here. This is one place I'm visiting. There's be plenty of a place I'll try out. And we'll see more stuff. You know, it's just you have to keep your option open to where you can find things from at a reasonable price to sell back. You know, onions, apples and stuff. So it's all good. So all our stuff you can get. Dates, all of that. It's nice. Definitely, I'm getting some water now. We get all of these. I know I'll be getting. Get 2 of them now. I need them for the house. So I think I'll be selling these water. These Saka water are quite nice. So I'll be selling these water. So quite nice. So it's just a little. They got different variety of water. So you'll be selling different waters, and they're at reasonable price as well. Even to resell back, which is quite good. So damn freezer. So we got fridge, you can sell hummus and all them dips, you know, cheese and stuff. These are like foreign stuff, Greek stuff. I know. You sell all these sausages and stuff. These are all for the locals. You can sell these, no problem. You know? This is a nice little cash and carry here. You can come and get a lot of stuff from here, which is nice. So, a lot of stuff in here. Yogurts and all that stuff. Milk and things. Cheese and stuff. Cheese and stuff here. Butter. Sausage and stuff there. Let's see. Keep going around and see what we have. Cheese again. So I'll have to buy some of these in order to take away plates and stuff. I'll have to get some of those. Just more water, more variety of water and stuff. So you can get juice from here. There's a lot of juice. Yes, nice. See, you can get Caribbean stuff from here because here's a tropical sun, which is the aloe vera water and stuff, which you can get from here, which is not too bad. Price ain't too bad at all. You can get some iced teas and stuff, Lucozade, J2O. So there's quite a lot of stuff that you can get from here. These are, I'll come here and get these. These are just local stuff you can get. And they have a Jamaican ginger beer as well. So you can get it from here. Okay. Thank you. So there is some stuff you can get here, no problem, easy. And it's not too far away. You can get a lot of stuff in here. So I'm cooking the chicken and stuff. We can buy the chicken and wings and stuff from here. And sell at a good price, and they're quite nice, and it's nice and fresh. You get them from here. When it's time to cook, I'll be on this thing, you know. Alcohol. So I look off here, can't go no further. Have a look down. This is an alcohol section. There's a lot of alcohol this side. What's that? We have, see, Reggae tonic wine is over there. You can get tonic wine here. Okay. Something I'll try out and see if you guys like those. Try them out. It's the alcohol section. Let's see what we can get. Has I got any Jamaican stuff? We got Guinness. What else is in here that Jamaicans will like? We got coconut water. We got a tropical sun here. Yeah, that can work. I can work with that. Yeah, so there's quite a lot of stuff. No problem. It can work. It's not a problem here. Let's see if they have rum and stuff. If they sell rum in here. I know I can get those from Jamaica, no problem. Because I work with someone who can get the rums and stuff. Excuse me. So getting the rum won't be a problem, just see if they have it. Which I don't think they have it. They got everything else but the rum. But I can get rum, no problem. The Appleton stuff, I can get them. These are just the regular stuff. Red Bull. Let's see what I can get from here to do my stock. Yeah, so American Blades. See all the crisping stuff I can get from here as well. Cheesies. We're getting the Jamaican snacks as well. But you know, you have to have the local stuff too. So, which is alright. There's enough stuff here. So here, man, you get quite a few stuff here. Coconuts. Seasoning and stuff here. See what seasoning they have. Obviously I'll be getting the proper Jamaican seasoning, seasoned to the bone, all them kind of things. Proper curry. And the better pack curry, I'll be getting that. They have tropical stuff here, but I'll be getting more variety of stuff. It seems to have a lot of tropical things here, so those aren't too bad. But I know I'll get some other brand, the grey stuff, the seasoned to the bone. I'll be getting the Maggie stuff, so I'll be getting those from Jamaica. So it's not a problem. Sweets. Oh, in the fridge over there. See, I have a lot of tropical KP. You get condensed milk, evaporated milk. So here you can get those tropical some as well. These are Caribbean stuff. More a variety of stuff, you know. Let's see what's going on there. Seasoning, got some hot pepper and stuff. So I know I can get some original hot pepper. Yeah, tropical stuff. Alright, I can roll with these. Get just the regular stuff. Yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff here. That's all good. I don't know where I can get a lot of things. Yeah. So okay, this is a one-stop shop. I can get a lot of things from here. Where to go? Rice, flour, everything, cornmeal, everything. See a lot of tropical things. A lot of tropical brand here. Black eyed peas, into cornmeal and stuff. Yeah. So that's where they normally do like ackee and stuff like that. I can't see it, but now they normally do it. So you can get like ackee and all that stuff in here. So, yeah. plates and stuff, cups and everything. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good in here. It's all right. Local stuff I've been selling here. Got some Caribbean stuff, which is all right. It's all good. Sorry. Alright, so this is it for now. I'm gonna come back another time to see if they have the ackee. Might be down there. Let me check. They normally have it. Let's see if they have it. Check if they have it down here. Vegetable. Let's see. To come back another time. Normally have it, but you have to keep checking because that is a favorite thing. It always goes quick. Very quick. What's this? Another fish again. This is a tropical thing. Normally have it here, but that's gone. But it's alright. I know I have to come back regularly to get that, because that is a very popular thing here. As it comes, it's gone. So you have to be quick. That goes very quick. But it's alright. But that's how it is. So really, just taking you guys through, you know, this is all my research and stuff as to what is to come, what I'll be getting. It's one of the areas I'll be checking out, shops I'll be checking out to buy it from them and then to resell. Where do we go from there? Yeah, this is it. Well, keep you guys updated again. Remember, please like, share, spread the word. Alright, catch up again.